Queen Victoria, your demands every day are getting bigger and bigger. All her demand was she wants to have buns. Oh, can you make it steamed? Can you make it fried? Can you make it baked? Yeah, all of them are ready. Bun bun bole for breakfast. It is not bum bum bole, it is bun bun bole. Because today we are going to make bun. And bread is used for breakfast all over the world. We make our own breads like puri, batura and so many of other breads. And similarly, croissant, Danish pastries and all that is used in other countries. And some other countries they use steamed breads. We also make idli, somebody make momos. But today, the yeast dough, the simple bread dough, we are going to stuff it with potatoes, masala and this bun. It can be fried, it can be steamed, it can be baked. And we are going to do all three of them. First, we need to make the bread dough. And I've shown you many times how to make the basic bread dough. Warm water in which you add some sugar. Then add some yeast and mix it well. Take all-purpose flour and add a little bit of salt and this yeast water into it and make this into a very soft dough. When the dough is nice and soft, add a little bit oil, punch it, knead it well and then let it rest. Rest for 1 hour. Once you make the bread dough, let it rest. In the meanwhile, we are going to make the potato masala. For making the potato masala, in this I am going to add butter and while this butter is melting, in this add chopped onion and it's up to you. I love little extra onions whenever I am making the potato masala. So in this add salt, fry these onions till they are slightly transparent. And in this vegetable bun, we are going to add your favorite vegetables. Here I have got carrot, beans, capsicum, green peas, green chili. In this, whatever vegetables you want to add, you can just add to this all the vegetables and just saute the vegetables. I am also going to add ginger garlic paste a little bit to get a nice flavor. Saute these vegetables and if you want the masala to look good, add a little bit of turmeric, some chopped coriander. Keep this mild so it is nice and tasty. In this add jeera powder, some pepper powder and now I have boiled the potatoes and you can mash it and add or else just chop the boiled potatoes and add to this. And this mixture is what we are going to put in the buns. I have added little butter. When you are frying these buns, do not add any extra butter. But when you are steaming, you need to add extra butter. And even while baking, if you add little extra butter, when you eat the buns, it will be super tasty. Squeeze in some lime juice. The potato masala is all ready. It's cooled down. So the dough, because of the summers, the dough is fermenting way too faster, but never mind. So add flour and now we are going to divide this dough into the portions we need. So just let some of the air go. Divide the dough into equal portions. 5 here and 5 here. So easy to divide with a knife. So divide 10 portions and we are going to stuff this potato masala. All you need to do is just flatten this dough just the size of a puri. In each one of these dough, just put the potato stuffing. You have to be careful, the dough should be nice and even. Just pull it like this. This one I am going to fry, so I am just going to flatten them like this. If there is any opening, just pinch it and we have to let it rest. We are going to let it rest for 15 minutes and only then we can fry them. But the steam ones are slightly going to be different. What is the difference? You are going to add a piece of butter because you want that butter so that it's nice and juicy. Add the potato masala. These are for steaming. When you are steaming, you don't flatten them. You got to make them round. Slowly, just make it into a dumpling. The baking one also you can make it into a round dumpling just like bread. So even in the baking one, we are going to add one piece of butter and we are going to put the potato. Sprinkle some flour and this one we are going to bake it. These are the baking ones. These are the steaming ones. These are the frying ones. You need to do the milk wash. Milk wash is just take some milk, add some sugar to it and that will give a very nice even coloring for the bread. So look at this and add some sesame seeds if you want. Just sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Okay, just little bit, not too much, and preheat the oven at 200 degrees centigrade and put this in the oven. And In around 20 minutes, these buns will be ready. When you get a nice golden color, remove it out. The buns, whatever we have done, we're going to steam them. So here is the boiling water, and I'm just going to put them in there and steam for around 10 minutes, after which they will be nicely, perfectly done. The frying ones also, handle it very carefully, they will be nice and soft. So put it in the hot oil, just let them fry. Once they are fried till they are nice and golden, they will be super. They will literally melt in your mouth. The potato stuffing that is there, oh my God, I'm telling you, Queen Victoria will be like super happy today. On a medium hot oil, that's when the inside also will be nicely cooked. Look at the nice color. Once you have this golden color, that should be good enough. Queen Victoria, your demands every day are getting bigger and bigger. All her demand was she wants to have buns. Oh, can you make it steamed? Can you make it fried? Can you make it baked? Yeah, all of them are ready. Wow. This is... Now, you want to try it with cheese sauces, ketchup, mayonnaise, whatever you want, you can try. In fact, I thought of making a curry for this. You can make even pitla curry and all that.
But
my God,
good.
This is just awesome, isn't it?
Amazing.
And
this is the baked one?
This is the baked one.
Very hot.
You make these kind of breads for breakfast, always right away when it is nice and hot. It is still very hot.
Nice spongy, inside nice filling, perfect filling.
This fuming hot, and inside we added piece of makkan, that's make this even more delicious. I'm telling you, a little bit of sesame seeds on top, and I'm telling you, this is wow, isn't it?
Better than a burger.
And now these are the steamed buns. Okay. Even when they are steamed, they are, look at this, nice, awesome. And these kind of buns, and the stuffing itself is so good. Wow. When you make best of the best food, you got to ding chick, ding chick, ding chick, ding chick. Oh!